My favorite quilt of the season is here. We designed this digitally months ago and our team just got done making the samples. I'm so excited about this. Stacy Iest Hsu is one of my favorite designers from Moda Fabrics. Her collections just put a smile on our faces, and it absolutely is true with holiday cheer. The panel, oh, look at this incredible panel with incredible retro vintage Christmas motifs. The perfect backing looks like a newspaper print, and we just couldn't stop with the quilt, so I took it to a table runner as well, a separate project. And here's the other cool part. We're offering this on a reserve, and if you're a frequent watcher of the channel, you already know what this means. It's called opportunity, right? To get one of these limited edition kits. These fabrics have already been discontinued. They won't be printing more of holiday cheer from Moda Fabrics. So what that means is this quilt here with these amazing panels that are easily cut with the Creative Grid 10.5 inch. You get your panel out, get everything beautifully pressed, put this right on top, your fabric right on top of that spinning mat with your 10.5 inch. You can get that sweet spot where you're able to cut perfectly around each of these panels. And then look at this, just some simple strip piecing, right? A little bit of patchwork in the corner, add your outer border binding, and you have a beautiful quilt to display. Or maybe you want to be able to do that fussy cutting with the table runner to have something, or do both. That's my favorite, right? Having everything coordinating. A reserve, my favorite thing about that is you can just make a $10 deposit right now towards your quilt kit. You have this incredible backing. I love this backing. It's so fun to read. There's even recipes on here. Just look at this amazing fabric here. That newspaper print, sweet little icons, cute little text, the way that newspapers used to be, and some fun recipes and other things as well. $5 deposit. You cannot find a better backing than this. So that's just an automatic, right? If you're going to do this, do this. If you would like to have the table runner, that's a separate kit, that will include the backing. And this is the same print on the back here, the newspaper print. So I love reserves for that reason. You can just get excited about what's to come, making a small deposit, and no, you don't even have to think about it again. We'll bill you for the difference when those kits are ready and head that your way. And won't that be a surprise, right? Like, oh, I remember that now. When your package arrives in the mail, I remember ordering that from Shabby a few months back. So anytime we're using panels, we always want to make sure we're extracting that panel out really well. And as I mentioned, the key tool that our makers definitely grabbed for was that 10.5 inch. After we got everything pressed with that panel and extracted those out just perfectly. And of course the other patchwork strips need to be cut precisely as well. So just make sure you're getting a nice clean cut. Maybe it's been a while since you changed the blade in the rotary cutter. Not a lot of notions needed, just good precise patchwork with some patchwork pins, a fresh needle, right? But the most important thing, especially Christmas fabrics and especially Moda Christmas fabrics, is this is your chance. This is your one chance to get these kits. So head to the Shabby Fabrics website without delay. I know what that's like to be distracted by phone calls and texts. Put that aside. Head to the website right now to reserve your kit. Be sure to pick this adorable newspaper print backing, and if you love the table runner as well, reserve that kit as a reminder that will include your backing. And remember, that Creative Grid 10.5 inch tool is incredible for extracting out these beautiful panels, and you'll certainly have other opportunities to use that in the future. While you head to the website to reserve either the kit for the quilt, the backing, or the table runner, while you're there, there is some limited yardage remaining of holiday cheer. Here's another thing I've learned. Sometimes when I get a quilt or a table runner or both, I wish later on I had had additional yardage because I want to make stockings. I want to make Christmas arms. I want to do something in the kitchen to coordinate all together, but the yardage is gone. So while you head to the website to reserve your kit, your backing, your table runner, and probably that Creative Grid 10.5 if you don't have it, a great tool to have. Be sure to select that yardage as well. You're not going to be sorry you have some of this incredible fabric that, again, is printed just one time. So We're super excited about exclusive projects, but especially things about retro vintage Christmas. It just strikes a chord with us and with you as well. Thanks for giving me a few minutes of your day to show you these exclusive projects only from Shabby Fabrics.